Do you like English? Do you speak English? Do you love English? Very good. Come on, boy. Look here. Listen to me. This is a boy, okay? A boy is standing. What is that? A boy is standing. Come on, boy. Now, boys are standing. What is that? Boys are. Go to your seat. You stand here. Now tell me the sentence. What is he doing? Boy is standing. So come on, boy. Now tell me the sentence. A boys is wrong. What is it? Boys are standing. Very good. Go. Come on, girl. Yes. Look here. A girl is standing. A girl is standing. Come on, girl. Now tell me the same sentence. Girls are standing. Girls are standing. Very good. Go to your seat. Okay. Now I want a sentence using is. Okay? Tell me. Using is. Tell me some sentences.
A boy is sitting.
A boy is sitting. Okay.
A girl is eating.
A girl is eating. Okay, right. You tell me. Using are. Tell me some sentences. Dogs are running. Okay, next.
Goats are eating.
Goats are eating. Very good. Is.
A boy is sitting. A girl is standing.
Right.
A dog is eating.
Good. Parnika, tell me some sentences using are.
Boys are
Boys are
running.
running. Okay. Tell me the same sentences using are. For example, elephants.
Elephants are running.
Very good. Elephants are running. Some more sentences. Any sentences?
A boy is
No. Using are.
Boys are sitting.
Boys are sitting. Good.
A girls are
No. Girls are. Not a girls.
a girl.
No.
Girls are drinking.
Girls are drinking. Very good. Very good. Yes. Are.
Dogs are eating.
Dogs are eating.
Boys are sitting.
Boys are sitting.
Girls are standing.
Good.
Elephant is running.
Not is. Are. Using are.
Elephants are running.
Elephants are running. Good.
Girls are standing.
Girls are standing. Okay. Prakrutin is.
A boy is standing.
A boy is standing. Okay.
A dog is sitting.
Dog is sitting. Okay.
A girl is standing.
Very good.
A man is standing.
A man is standing. Very good. A man is drinking. A man is dancing. Okay. Right. Very good. Yes. Anybody? Tell me. Using is. No. A boy is
Standing.
standing. Very good. Good. Next. Any sentence? Any sentence? Third class. Come on. Third class. Is. Ah. Good. 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 Very good. Very good. Come on. Come on. Is.
A boy is sitting.
Good.
A girl is drinking.
Very good. Yes.
A boy is eating. Girl is drinking.
Yes.
A dog is running. A cat is eating.
Very good. Very good. Third class girls are very good. Yes. Tell me. Tell me. What do you say? Are.
A boys are dancing.
Boys are.
Boys are dancing.
Yes.
A girls are sitting.
Girls are. Dogs are.
Dogs are eating.
Good. Very good.